Hi there. Let's talk about YouTube money. It is quite important for you to understand how people make money on YouTube. And I'm saying so because a few days ago, I met a friend who was very excited. Of course, after catching up, they were like, hey, I see you upload regularly on YouTube. You must be getting a lot of money, which, by the way, is a fair comment. But also, there is a huge misconception about making money on YouTube. That's why this video is important for you as a fan who likes to watch YouTube videos out there, for you as a creative to understand how money is made on YouTube. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily TV. My name is Afagza Sifunam. And by the way, if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Down below there is a button called subscribe. Click on it, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and also you still add it. I'd really appreciate if you can like this video. Down there is a button called like. Click the like button for you to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for that. Having said that, it is a fact that yes, there is money to be made on YouTube. Just like any other internet content creation platform out there, whether it is Twitter, blogging, you name it, there is money to be made on YouTube through your creative process. But also, the money to be made on YouTube isn't that direct per se. And I'm saying so because there is multiple avenues through which you can make money on YouTube. And also beyond that, there are thresholds which you need to meet for you even to be eligible to make money from some of these different avenues which I'm about to talk to you about. But the underlying thing is that if you are creative, you are giving people value, you are giving them quality content, over time, be sure you can be able to make money through your creativity. That tells you there is hope to make money on YouTube through your creativity. Having said that, here are the 5 ways through which a creative can make money on YouTube. The first and foremost, which most people out there know, is what is called through YouTube AdSense. Google AdSense, in essence, is also a way, and in fact, the major way through which people can make money. Connecting their YouTube account to their Google AdSense account, and then the Google AdSense account is going to be featuring adverts through their YouTube account. And by the way, it isn't automatic too. And this is so because for you to be eligible to have adverts showing on your video, you need to be part of what is called the YPP. In essence, the YouTube Partnership Program. You need to have met some conditions which are set out by YouTube before you join YPP. Some of these conditions are, for example, you having attained 4,000 public watch hours in the preceding 1 year, and you also having at least 1,000 subscribers. And most importantly, you abiding by the community guidelines. Because guys, on YouTube, you need to be adding value, and more so, you need to be abiding by the community guidelines. If you are doing all these, chances are you're going to be accepted to join YouTube Partnership Program. And once you've joined, it is upon your own volition to decide whether you want adverts on your videos and so forth. And by the way, this is usually piecemeal. You decide if you want adverts on your video, on all the videos, single video, you name it. That's the first way you can make money through YouTube. And then the second way you can make money through YouTube is by you targeting promotions or endorsements. Guys, endorsements is also a very big way through which you can look to make money through YouTube. And I'm saying so because once you begin growing an audience, more so an audience for a specific kind of thematic area. To give you an example, right now I've been making videos on personal finance, investing, and matters around money. Once I built a very good audience around personal finance and such thematic area, be sure some brands, some companies could start reaching out, telling you, for example, they want you to assist them market their product. which, by the way, is a fair thing, because when you assist them market their products, then you can also be able to make money. But the trap with that is that also, guys, target to only work with companies, to work with products which you believe in. Because one thing I believe is that, guys, you should never dupe your audience in the quest to you making money. And I'm saying so because a good number of people out there, for example, even promote scams just because they have been given money by